हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर एंड जीके। आज मैं आप लोगों से आईसीआर का एएसीए एसआरएफ और जेआरएफ का एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री प्रीवियस ईयर सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ 2019 डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। जो भी ग्रीन कलर में दिया है ना, यही है आंसर्स, राइट आंसर्स। कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who proposed the classification of organisms into three domains? It is given by C.R. Woese, O. Kandler and M.L. Wheelis. Three domains of organism क्या क्या है कि archaea, bacteria and eukaryotes. So these are the three classification which are given by this three prominent scientists. Bamboos belong to the which plant family? It is Poaceae. Generally, it is a grass family. Now, that is why it is Poaceae. The International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi and Plants adopted in the year 2017 is also known as Shenzhen Code. Shenzhen is a place in China. So this international code of nomenclature of that particular algae, fungi and plants which was happened in this Shenzhen area of China, that is why it is called as Shenzhen Code. Herbicides used to kill जो भी अनवांटेड प्लांट, अनडिजायरेबल प्लांट्स वहां नहीं होना चाहते ना, उस प्लांट्स को किल करने के लिए हमें हर्बिसाइड्स, साइड मतलब किल करना, हर्ब्स मतलब दैट इज प्लांट्स। सो हर्ब्स को किल करने के लिए, जहां वो नहीं चाहिए उसको किल करने के लिए हम हर्बिसाइड्स को यूज करते हैं। Rhizophora species is nothing but it is majorly a characteristic of mangrove forest. That is रूट्स के हिसाब से जो भी रेस्पायर करते हैं उसको मेजरली that is Rhizophora बोलते हैं, that is majorly observed in the mangrove forest. Flowers that are pollinated by bees, it is Melitophily. Whereas in case of Triptophily, it is nothing but by bats. Myophily, it is from the flies. And ornithophily, it will be from the birds. जो भी pollination is that is different organisms will be causing different types of pollination. So these are the explanations of it. The scientific name of Asian rice, it is Oryza sativa. Transgenic golden rice. Daffodil से जो भी जीन लेते हैं, it is mainly in order to overcome the vitamin A deficiency which may lead to the night blindness. So in order to overcome this, the major thing which is rich in this transgenic golden rice तो vitamin A है. Pusa, Shaimala, purple long and the purple cluster, these are the major varieties of which vegetable? It is from the brinjal. जब भी हमें पर्पल इसी नाम से ही हमें पता चल जाता है कौन सा वेजिटेबल है, मेजरली तो ब्रिंजल होते हैं. How many agroclimatic zones are there in India? It is 15 agroclimatic zones. Bromelain is an enzyme which is majorly found in pineapple. It is a digestive enzyme. Generally, pineapples दो enzymes से, that is, it will be rich in enzymes. The scientists at Assam Agricultural University, that is AAU, has recently achieved a significant breakthrough. Which of the following? It is grafting of scion of Assam lemon on the rough lemon's rootstock. So इसे बहुत successful हो गया है उस जगह पे. How many biogeographic zones are there in India? There are 10 biogeographic zones. Coming to this, which of the following is an example of ex situ conservations? Ex situ matlab it is not a natural but rather the artificially created. So in particular place we try to put the animals. जो भी animals होते हैं या plants होते हैं, हम खुद उसको लेकर वही जगह पे रखते हैं, उसको ex situ बोलते हैं. Outside से हम डालना, it is nothing but zoo. The pangolins are the which are most trafficked mammals in the world and killed majorly for उसका scales तो बहुत strong होते हैं, बहुत that is different purposes के लिए use करते हैं, इसीलिए उस scale के लिए इस pangolins को hunt करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा लोग. Suppose there are three communities. One is community A, community B and community C. So they have given three situations. There are in community A में 5 species होते हैं. that is their abundances are 100, 10, 10, 10 respectively. Community B में 5 species होते हैं, सारा का सारा 10 होते हैं. Community C में 5 species होते हैं, their abundances will be like 50, 10, 10, 10 respectively. Which community will be having the highest species diversity? It is the community B. Which of the following is not a plant growth promoter? It is abscisic acid. It is actually plant growth inhibitor. A process in which milk is treated with a mild heat, usually to less than 100 degrees Celsius, to eliminate the pathogens and extend the shelf life. It is nothing but pasteurization, majorly killing of the unwanted microorganisms. Of the following is not a macronutrient? It is manganese. Manganese is a micronutrient. All the other things are the macronutrients itself. Inhibition of the primary root growth in plants is often associated with the deficiency of prosperous के deficiency के, that is if there is a prosperous deficiency उसका root growth इतना अच्छा नहीं होते हैं. There will be very stunted growth of the roots. The energy of sunlight is first absorbed by the pigments of the plant. All pigments active in photosynthesis are found in chloroplast. In 100 mg of banana, which mineral is highest? Potassium तो इतना ज़्यादा quantity में होते हैं banana में, so it is very healthy and that is why they tell banana का peel से ही बहुत ज़्यादा potassium होते हैं. आपका teeth को rub कर सकते हैं, आप खा सकते हैं. That is back side of the peel is very rich in nutrients and minerals, so you just have to have that. That is most healthiest. The phenomenon in which corolla of the flower opens and exposes the stamens and pistil is nothing but chasmogamy. Then what is meant by cleistogamy? जब permanently flowers close होते हैं, जिसके अंदर जो भी pollination होते हैं, इसको cleistogamy बोलते हैं. Dichogamy is nothing but two different times में जो pollination, that is it will open in one other time, other will open, that is stamen and the stigma will open in the different times. Geitonogamy is nothing but जो भी anther of one stigma, the anther of one flower and stigma of the same flower will be having the pollination. It is nothing but geitonogamy. जेनेटिकली सेम होना चाहिए, उसी को गैटिनोगैमी बोलते हैं. ट्रांसिशन फ्रॉम द फ्लावर टू द डेवलपिंग फ्रूट इज टर्म्ड एज फ्रूट सेट. ओके. पपाया इज प्रोपोगेटेड ओनली थ्रू द सेक्शुअल मेथड. था कि ये मोनोशियस है ना, जो भी सेक्सेस है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लांट्स में होते हैं, इसीलिए सेक्शुअल मेथड है. The method of vegetative plant propagation that encourages adventitious root to form on the stem while they remain attached to the parent or stalk is nothing but it is a process of layering. Dash is in the in vitro aseptic culture of the whole plants under the controlled nutritional and environmental conditions. ये तो tissue culture है. हाइड्रोपोनिक्स का मतलब पता है, सॉइललेस कल्टीवेशन. इट इज हाइड्रोपोनिक सॉइललेस कल्चर दोनों ही सेम ही है. प्रोटेक्टेड कल्चर इज नथिंग बट ग्रीन हाउस कल्टीवेशन, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो कंट्रोल न्यूट्रिशनल एंड एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस जो इनविट्रो कंडीशंस में होते हैं. टिश्यू कल्चर कौन कौन सा प्लांट में ज्यादा होते हैं, तो बनाना प्लांट्स एंड सेंसिटिव प्लांट्स में ज्यादा ये सब कुछ दे टेक अप. Which of the following is not a technique used to rejuvenate mature plants so that they are more amenable to clonal propagation? It is low temperature exposure से ये हो सकते हैं. Pre-germination seed treatment involves soaking of hard and impermeable seeds in concentrated sulfuric acid. Which is not the correct for chimers? Chimers का मतलब क्या है कि हम फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप कुछ कुत्ते को देख लीजिए, दैट इज बोथ द पेरेंट कलर विल बी देयर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डॉग, वाइट एज वेल एज डॉग. उसके आंखें और जो भी फेस है वो सब वाइट होते हैं और बॉडी सब कुछ ब्लैक होते हैं ना. सो इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर कैरेक्टर्स. तो सिंगल ऑर्गेनिजम्स में मोर देन एक डिफरेंट जीनोटाइप होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं कि काइमर. सो दीज आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ सेल्स ऑफ वन जीनोटाइप. Perigynous flowers are those in which the petals, sepals and stamens are attached on the rim of the hypanthium. How many types of greenhouses are there? There are generally 4 types of greenhouses, which are, that means, attached, free and land, ridge and furrow, and connected. These are the major 4 types of greenhouses. The Eden project, the world's largest greenhouse project, is located in which country? It is in the England. The greenhouses, the primary environmental parameter is controlled, ट्रेडिशनली कंट्रोल्ड इज टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर को ऑल्टर करने के लिए ही हम ग्रीन हाउस रखते हैं, ताकि वो जो भी फेवरेबल टेम्परेचर में पहला टेम्परेचर, उसके बाद जो भी होते हैं ह्यूमिडिटी, परसेप्शन, ये सब कुछ सेकेंडरी है. टेम्परेचर तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है हम ग्रीन हाउसेस में कंट्रोल करने के लिए. Greenhouse industry in the Netherlands relies heavily on glass framed greenhouses in order to cope up with the cloudy conditions. Then, who designed the first modern greenhouse? It is Charles Lucien Bonaparte. World Soil Day 5 दिसंबर में मनाया जा सकता है. सॉइल हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हर बार जो भी वर्ल्ड सॉइल डे का थीम होते हैं उसको आपको मायने में रखना पड़ेगा. Sodic soil is characterized by the disproportionately high concentration of Na+ ions. In soil classification systems, topsoil is also known as A horizon, or it is also known as O horizon. Dash are the soils of grassland ecosystem. Generally grasslands में हमें molly soils मिल सकते हैं. Soil substrates are the size of groups of mineral particles that are less than 2 millimeter in diameter. How many factors and their interactions are responsible for the formation of soil? Majorly ये 5 factors होते हैं, passive factors and active factors. कौन कौन सा factors है कि parent material, climate, topography, biological and the time. इसमें एक्टिव कंपोनेंट्स कौन कौन सा है कि क्लाइमेट एंड बायोलॉजिकल बहुत ही एक्टिव कंपोनेंट्स है. पैसिव इसमें है पेरेंट, टोपोग्राफिकल एंड द टाइम. आइडेंटिफाई द correct sequence of 6 levels of classification proposed by the USDA soil taxonomy. It is order, suborder, grade group, subgroup, family and series. So इसमें बहुत ही that is lower level of order is series and higher it is order. Dash measure the amount of tension or pull plant roots are exerting on the soil water and how tightly water is held by the soil. It is by the tensiometer. It's an instrument which is majorly used to measure this. If a compass reading is 45 degree, in which direction you are looking at? It is in the northeast direction. The study of rock layers preserved in the geographical record, it is nothing but stratigraphy. What kind of uniformity occurs when the beds beneath on the erosial surface are tilted and eroded? It is angular unconformities. So it is nothing but जो भी unconformity है उसको angular unconformity बोल सकते हैं जब वो tilted होते हैं. Who proposed the law of fossil assemblages? It is William Smith. What does 1:1 lakh scale map denotes? 1 centimeter on the map equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. When two or more contour lines merge with each other, they represent features of vertical slopes. It is nothing but cliff. Thrust fault is a fault in which it is a fault plane in the dipping at a low angles of less than 45 degree. Columnar joints are the joints formed in the basalt. A basalt is a type of rock which you can see generally columnar joints उसमें हम देख सकते हैं. Cholera is a waterborne disease. It is spread majorly by the Vibrio cholerae, which is nothing but it is a bacteria. Don't confuse by looking at the name. It is Vibrio. It is Vibrio. It is a bacteria. Bacterial disease है cholera. Which of the following types of water distribution system is suitable for the cities with rectangular layout and where the water mains and branches are laid in rectangles? तो grid iron system है. What is the safe limit for fluoride in drinking water fixed by the World Health Organization? It is 0.5 to 1.5 मिलीग्राम पर लीटर. जब भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा दैट इज डिगिंग होते हैं फॉर ग्राउंड वाटर, सो द फ्लोराइड वाटर कंटेंट दैट इज फ्लोराइड कंटेंट इन द वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. इससे बहुत ही हेल्थ डिफेक्ट्स है, बोन को अफेक्ट करते हैं, आपका टीथ को अफेक्ट करते हैं. That is there should be particular limit for this chloride and fluoride everything. So the limit is 0.5 to 1.5 mg per liter. Water hardness is the amount of dissolved calcium and magnesium ions. Which of the following devices measure the pressure of the groundwater? It is seismometer. रियोमीटर, बैरोमीटर आपको पता है ये प्रेशर मेजर करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. रियोमीटर इज अ वन सच थिंग्स दैट इज विस्कोसिटी, द वे हाउ द वाटर इज गोइंग टू फ्लो. सो इस सब कुछ को मेजर करने के लिए. मैनोमीटर तो रूट प्रेशर मेजर करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. The bacteriological water analysis M. endo agar medium is used in membrane filtration. The Chauka system is a method of harvesting rainwater practiced in राजस्थान में. ये यूज करते हैं. ये मेजरली वाटरशेड दैट इज वाटर को स्टोर करने के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोर्सेस इट इज ट्राइंग टू कलेक्ट इन पर्टिकुलर रीजन. उसको छावका सिस्टम बोलते हैं. Who is popularly known as Waterman of India? It is Rajendra Singh. What is the size of Milli watershed? It is 1000 to 10,000 hectare. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Transpiration is significant in the humid regions. Transpiration is not significant in the humid regions. ताकि बहुत ही कम होते हैं, humid है ना, इसीलिए इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होते. So it is an incorrect statement. What is the average annual precipitation on the earth? It is 1000 millimeter. Who developed the universal soil loss equation? It was developed by Wischimer and D. Smith. W. Wischimer and D. Smith. Silviculture originated in which continent? It is from the Europe. Silviculture is nothing but growing of the plantation crops or the trees. Dipterocarpus reticis, an important timber plant, is in which state? It is in Assam. Eucalyptus degulicta does not occur in Australia. Which tree species of India was heavily exploited during the early British period for Royal Navy shipbuilding activities? It is Tectona grandis. The art of joining parts of plants together in such a way that they will readily unite and continue to grow as one plant is called as grafting. Agro-silvo-pastoral systems consist of which of the three elements? It is animals, trees and the crops. See, agriculture तो क्रॉप्स होते हैं, सिल्वीकल्चर तो ट्रीज होते हैं, एंड पास्चर इज नथिंग फॉर मेजरली फॉर ग्रेजिंग ऑफ द एनिमल्स. दैट इज व्हाई दिस थ्री आर द मेजर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इट. द फर्स्ट Tangwa plantations were raised in the North Bengal in the year 1896 में होते हैं. The term social forestry was first used in 1976 in India by the National Commission on Joint Forest Management in the 1980s, in which Indian state? It is in the West Bengal. Diversity of plant material in polycultural system often leads to low pest infestation. जब different types of plants होते हैं, intercropping होते हैं, integrated farming systems होते हैं, तब क्या होते हैं कि एक that is spread इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होते. There will be some obstructions, there will be some barrier crops so that there won't be that much of spread of pest. The scope of social forestry does not include which type of forestry? It is a community reserves. तो नहीं होते हैं. Shola are tropical montane forests found in a higher elevation hill regions of the Western Ghats. Plants adapted to the life in a dry or फिजियोलॉजिकली ड्राई हैबिटेट इट इज नथिंग बट जीरोफाइट. जीरोफाइट्स तो बहुत ही कम वाटर में भी और सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. मीसोफाइट्स ऐसा प्लांट्स है जो थोड़ी सी वाटर नेसेसिटी कंडीशन में होना चाहिए. हाइड्रोफाइट्स इट इज कंप्लीटली वाटर फेड प्लांट्स. Which of the following is water pollinated plant? It is hydrilla. The term Grex has been expanded in botanical nomenclature to describe hybrids of which plants? Grex is nothing but it is majorly of orchids को represent करते हैं. The most comprehensive explanation of water transport in plants provided by Henry Dixon and Joly. It is cohesion tension theory. Where is the birthplace of tea? It is China. The protection of PPVFR, that is Protection of Plant Varieties and the Farmers' Right Act was enacted by the Parliament in the year 2001 में होते हैं. As per the agriculture, that is APEDA, which country was leading exporter of the basmati rice? It is India. हमारे देश में बहुत ही ज़्यादा ए प्राइम सेक्टर दैट इज प्राइम है. इंडिया में बहुत ही ज़्यादा बासमती राइस का एक्सपोर्ट होते हैं. फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स का सेकेंड में होते हैं. एंड मिल्क इज ऑल्सो वी आर द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर. Alice mango is named mango cultivator that is originated in USA. Shabhagi Dhan is a variety of rice that can tolerate extreme drought. Teosinte is considered as a progenitor of which domesticated crop? ये तो maize का है. The RTS dwarfing gene were introduced to modern wheat varieties in 1960 by Norman Borlaug. Indian Railways has launched Plan B to prevent trains from hitting elephants crossing the tracks. Which of the following is not an endemic species of in Western Ghats? ये तो Namdha flying squirrel. ये तो असम का है. Sorry, अरुणाचल प्रदेश का है. It is native of this flying squirrel is an Namdha, which is present in the Arunachal Pradesh. The Convention of Biological Diversity entered into force on 29th of December 1993. Which of the following is not a protected area in India, which is constituted under the provisions of Wildlife Protection Act? So biosphere reserves है. The extent of change in community composition or degree of community differentiation in relation to the complex gradient of the environment, a pattern of environment is measured by beta diversity. जो भी कितना दैट इज डाइवर्स हो सकते हैं, कितना डिफरेंट स्पीशीज हो सकते हैं, ये सब कुछ हमें बीटा डाइवर्सिटी के हिसाब से विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू द कॉम्प्लेक्स एनवायरनमेंट, इन दैट एनवायरनमेंट वी कैन मेजर दैट. Which of the following is not an endangered species according to the IUCN Red List of 2019 3 version? It is greater one-horned rhino. It is not an endangered species. One of the criteria to designate a region as a biodiversity hotspot, it should have at least 1,500 endemic vascular plants. So what is the other criteria? It must have 30% or less than its original natural vegetation. Which plant structure transport the glucose formed in photosynthesis to the branches, fruits, trunks and roots of the tree? It is xylem है. Phloem is a food transporting tissue. It is majorly, and this xylem, it is a water transporting. Majorly, these branches, all these things will be taken away by the xylem itself. Glycolysis occurs in which part of the plant cell? ये तो cytoplasm में होते हैं. Who is considered as the father of agronomy? It is Pedro de Cresceni. Pasteurization of milk by high temperature short-term method involves heating the milk at 71.5 degrees Celsius for 16 seconds and immediately cooling to the 4 degrees Celsius. Ambar, Jawahar, Kisan, Vikram, Sona and Vijay are the names of maize composites. Composites का मतलब क्या होते हैं कि it is more than one particular seeds which has been mixing. जो भी physiological characters बहुत ही prominent होते हैं, इस characters को achieve करने के लिए हम compose that is we mix ना that thing is nothing but composites. These are the varieties or composites of maize. According to the law of diminishing returns, if one variable is increased, keeping all the other variable constant, then there will be a point at which marginal per unit output will decrease. Viticulture is a term encompassing the cultivation of grapes. Viticulture is nothing but grape cultivation. Which of the following type of orchards is suitable to harvest light at different heights? It is multi-storied orchard. Multi-storied का मतलब क्या होता है कि different heights में different crops को grow करते हैं ना, इसी को बोलते हैं. Generally these are followed in the tropical regions because there will be more of water availability. They can grow pineapple, they can grow like betel vine, areca nut and coconut. All these things can be grown in a same thing with a different heights. Who first conceived the word horticulture? It is Peter Laurenberg. Pomology refers to the cultivation of fruit crops. How many types of flowers are reported in brinjal depending on the length of styles? It is majorly 4 different types of flowers which is reported. The system wherein espalier is grown with the help of training on the wires is called cordon system. Sod culture is a system in which the grasses in the space between the trees are allowed to grow without tillage or mulching. Which vitamin is known to stimulate the rooting process? It is vitamin B. Hardwood cutting is useful for the propagation of grapes. The type of apomixis in which the embryo develops from the diploid egg cell or from the diploid cells of embryo sac without fertilization is known as recurrent apomixis. If scion of the apple is grafted on the dwarf rootstock, the scion will remain the dwarf itself. Saddle grafting is used for bench grafting of generally the grapes. A method of propagation in which shoots or plants are cut back to the ground or soil rooting media. It is mounted around the new sprouts or shoots to stimulate the roots to develop. It is nothing but stool layering, generally found in guava, sapota. सब कुछ में यही तरह का layering हो सकते हैं. Which of the following is not true about asexual plant propagation? Asexually propagated plants have long juvenile phase. In greenhouse, the temperature of the leaf surfaces are kept above the dew point to prevent condensation. Etiolation of plants in greenhouses can be avoided by managing the light. What is recommended air porosity of the growing media if you are raising orchids in the greenhouse? It should be more than 20% होना चाहिए. If pH of the growing media drops below 5.5, जब acidic हो जाते हैं, all the micronutrients become soluble and available to the plants except molybdenum. Molybdenum को इससे भी ज़्यादा acidic conditions होना चाहिए, like 2.22, like 4 pH होना चाहिए इसके लिए. Which of the following is not an inorganic greenhouse growing media? ये तो coir है. Which of the following greenhouse growing media has very high cation exchange capacity? It is sphagnum peat moss. The micronutrients is essential for chlorophyll synthesis. ये तो iron है. Micronutrient है ना, iron है. Extremely dark leaves of the plant in the greenhouses is due to the nitrogen toxicity. In a completely saturated soil, the volume of the air is 0%. सैचुरेशन का मतलब वही है, दैट इज ऑल थिंग्स विल बी लाइक कंप्लीट वाटर, सब कुछ एयर सब कुछ होते हैं इसीलिए. द मिनिमम फ्रिक्शन वेलोसिटी रिक्वायर्ड टू इनिशिएट मूवमेंट ऑफ द सॉइल पार्टिकल, इट इज थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रिक्शन वेलोसिटी. What type of soil water is mostly available to the plants? It is capillary water. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा available होते हैं, hygroscopic तो बिल्कुल available नहीं होते हैं उसका, that is it will be under very deep in the soil. Global assessment of human induced soil degradation. Glass salt. What is the percentage of world's land that is degraded due to the human activity? It is 15%. लिटरली हमको मायने रखना पड़ेगा, दैट इज जो भी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ की वजह से हो सकते हैं उसको हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. नेचुरल तो हम बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते ना. अगर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ जो भी अनवांटेड थिंग्स हो रहे हैं उसको हम बिल्कुल कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ परमिएबिलिटी फॉर डिफरेंट सॉइल टेक्सचर्स. पहला सैंड है, दैट इज देर आस्किंग फ्रॉम हाई टू लो, सो इट इज सैंड, सैंडी लोम, लो, clay loam, silty loam and the clay soil. Which of the following statements is not true with respect to the measurement of particle size distribution? It is laser diffraction method is good for measuring sizes between 0.1 to 3000 micrometer. Which of the following is not a characteristics of alkali soils? It is high EC. Dip and strike are determined in the field with the help of a क्लिनोमीटर कॉम्पस. डिप एंड स्ट्राइक तो एक एंगुलर मेजरमेंट है जो भी फील्ड में मेजर करते हैं. इट इज मेजर फ्रॉम क्लिनोमीटर कॉम्पस. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सेकेंडरी जियोग्राफिकल स्ट्रक्चर? इट इज बरोस. विच इज द लार्जेस्ट मैप स्केल फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग? इट इज 1:20,000. When a rock is subjected to increasing stress, how many successive stages of deformation does it pass through? It is majorly 3 different stages. Repetitive layering is in metamorphic rocks is known as foliation. In a recumbent fold, the axial plane is horizontal. Which of the following is not true for equal area steroids? They reduce the area distortion. Subsurface water that is found in fully saturated zone is known as groundwater. Subsurface is nothing but groundwater ही होते हैं ना. जब सब कुछ that is it is completely filled, the ground is completely filled with is nothing but groundwater. Hydraulic ram is a type of impulse pump. Which of the following water demand forecasting model estimates per capita consumption as a function of explanatory variables? It is multivariate statistical model. हर एक component कितना कितना that is contribute करते हैं सब कुछ it will be explained by this statistical model. What was the annual per capita availability of water in a country? It is 1,545 cubic meters. According to the Horton-Stranraer ordering scheme, the channel that have no tributaries are nothing but first order streams hai. According to the National Bank of Agricultural and Rural Development, that is NABARD, an area with the level of groundwater development as less than 65% is considered as safe. The groundwater yield potential in peninsular shield areas ranges from 2 to 10 lbs. The flame of forest common name क्या है? तो Putinea monosperma है. Xylea xylocarpa occurs gregariously in which of the following parent rock types? It is laterites. The oldest tea plantations in the world is located in which state of India? ये तो केरला में है. In which year was the National Agroforestry Policy was launched? It was launched in 2004. Where is the headquarters of the International Center for Research in Agroforestry? It is in Africa, that is Nairobi. The policies and guidelines of the Joint Forest Management were enunciated in the year, that is National Forest Policy of 1988. The term social forestry was coined by J.C. Westoby. थैंक यू सो मच दोस्तों इस वीडियो को आप लिसन करने के लिए, एंड इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिए, जो भी नीडी पर्सन है उसको शेयर कर दीजिए। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, स्टे हेल्थी, स्टे हैप्पी एंड कीप रीडिंग।